The Inflation Reduction Act revised the prior energy credit and is now worth the lesser of 30% of qualifying home improvements, up to $1,200 per year for qualifying property placed in service on or after January 1st, 2023 and before January 1st, 2033. You can claim energy credits on improvements like solar water heating and electric costs, battery storage costs, exterior doors, windows, and others listed here in the Home Energy Credits section under Deductions and Credits. There are a few cost-saving items that do not qualify for the credits, such as Energy Star appliances, low-flow shower heads, and low-flush toilets. In Intuit TurboTax, navigate in the Home Energy Credits section until you locate the area for your home energy improvement. In addition to the $1,200 credit limit, a separate total sum of home energy improvements yearly credit limit of $2,000 applies to electric or natural gas heat pump water heaters, electric or natural gas heat pumps, and biomass stoves and biomass boilers. This means you can claim a maximum total yearly energy efficient home improvement credit of up to $3,200. Because the new credit has an annual limit rather than a lifetime limit, you can now stretch your qualifying home improvements over a 10-year lifespan of the credit. That's a possible $32,000 of your taxes you could receive back. Clean energy credits are non-refundable credits, meaning they offset your tax liability on a dollar-for-dollar basis, but will not give you a refund. For more answers to your questions, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.